in this question, we have a fairly complicated looking algebraic fraction. And one of the easiest things to do wrong is to miss out the 2 minus at the beginning. So you'll notice the first thing I'm doing is I'm rewriting it with all 3 parts as fractions, okay? Once we get to this stage, we need to think about the usual process for working with algebraic fractions. I need to find a common denominator. To do that, I'm going to multiply the 3 denominators together. So 1 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Now if you notice, x minus 3x plus 3 is an example of the difference of 2 squares. And so I know that that's going to multiply together to become x squared minus 9, which by pure coincidence is the denominator that I need. So already we're starting to succeed, we're starting to get what we need to, okay? Now we need to work out the numerator, and it is definitely worth taking your time with this because there are many ways that you can go just that little bit wrong that throws your work right out the window. So the first step is going to be to multiply the first numerator by the 2 denominators, which is going to give us 2x squared minus 18. Then we have 2x squared times x plus 3 multiplied by 1, which is the first denominator, and that gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then finally we have x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by 1, and that gives us x squared minus 9x plus 18. At this stage we can now go through the process of subtracting them. So I've got 2x squared minus x squared gives us 0. So the squareds have gone, we're now dealing with a linear expression. I've got 0x from the top, and it's not there, but we need to configure this. We need to assume that it's there, because you'll see we're subtracting the other values. So 0 take away 5, take away negative 9 gives positive 4x, and that's where you could go very wrong very quickly, okay? So be really careful at that point. Then we have negative 18 minus 6 minus 18, which is negative 42. All that I need to do now is just assemble my algebraic fraction in the format that we've been given, which is 4x minus 42 over x squared minus 9. And then just for clarity, that means that a equals 4 and b equals negative 42. And there you have it.
This is awesome.
It's a test designed to provoke